Today we'll be making ice cream using cauliflower. If you've been on keto more than a day, you would know that cauliflower can pretty much be anything. But today we're going to be testing the limits of that theory by making cauliflower ice cream. And there's a little backstory to this that I would like to share with you. In August of 2020, Sarah and I published a video where we tested our first questionable keto recipe. And Sarah invited me over to her house under the guise that we were going to be making eggplant parmesan with fresh eggplant from the garden. I was totally excited. I had not eaten all day. When I got here, she revealed that I was going to be making eggplant bread pudding instead, and then made me eat it on camera. No shade thrown to the original creator of that recipe, but I did not like it at all. I was really mad at Sarah that day for putting me through all that. And so I sent out an SOS to our subscribers, to our followers out there, to bring me a recipe for payback. I sent that SOS out on August 7th, 2020, and then I waited. I scrolled through the deepest parts of the internet at keto recipes, searching for something to pay Sarah back with. But you know what? It's hard to find questionable keto recipes. Who would have thunk it? It almost escaped my mind until a couple days ago. We get a comment that we've been tagged by Keto Ninja Jinja, and she said, "You guys should try this on your channel." And I said, this is it. This is what I've been waiting for. And so today we will be making cauliflower ice cream by Gigi Eats. We will link her very eccentric and awesome YouTube channel below, and I cannot wait for Sarah to try this recipe. Thank you. How do I look? Mediocre. So Sarah, how are you feeling about this recipe for today? Honestly, I'm shocked. I never thought that Emily would find a recipe to beat my eggplant bread pudding, but it seems like I've met my match. And I don't think that cauliflower can be ice cream. Just telling you that right now. Cauliflower can be a lot of things, but I don't think ice cream is one of them. It just has a weird smell to it, I'm gonna be honest. I've taken a look at the recipe. We will link the original recipe in the description if you guys wanna find all the exact measurements. Okay, so the ingredients that you're gonna need for this cauliflower ice cream are, I have 1 bag of cauliflower florets. You're gonna need a can of light coconut milk. I was surprised by this because usually you want full fat stuff, but she chose light in this case. I'm not sure why, so we did use light coconut milk. We're gonna be adding in some collagen powder and some protein powder, some vanilla, and we're actually gonna be using allulose instead of erythritol in this recipe because we really enjoy allulose. Erythritol will work. I'm pretty sure any other type of sweetener of your choice will work in this case. You can also add other things in this recipe that she lists, like you can add chocolate chips and other sorts of stuff, but we're just gonna go with the default plain recipe and go from there. Okay, so no time like the present. Pretty much what you're gonna do is blend up all these ingredients together. Give it a little tasty taste after you blend it, right, Sarah? Yeah, I'm excited. Here we go. I'm gonna put in the cauliflower first. Do you think I should blend the cauliflower extra? Like first and then blend in the rest of the ingredients? I think so. Okay. Okay, here we go. Maybe I should do half and then do the other half. What do you think? Whatever floats your boat. I mean, this ninja is pretty powerful, so I think I'm gonna test the limits of this guy. Power, and let's pulse it first. So we're gonna go in with the coconut milk. Oh, yep, still smells like cauliflower. Okay. In with our vanilla protein powder. We're using the Isopure, which we can link below. We're gonna be using the collagen powder by Vital Proteins. And then we're gonna go in with our allulose. Wonderful. Our vanilla. Still smells like cauliflower. Now we're gonna pulse it until smooth. Quick break. I'm just checking to see how much the cauliflower is incorporated here. I'm gonna want it to be invisible, I think. So we'll be blending this for a while. I'm gonna go to high next. All right, so it's been blending on high for a couple of minutes. I guess I have to taste it now. Let's look at the consistency. Yeah. Oh, it looks good. Look how creamy that looks, Sarah. I bet you it's going to be a delight. Smells like cauliflower. Bottoms up. You taste the cauliflower. Right? Oh. So at this point, I think we're gonna have to add in something else to cover the cauliflower flavor because I still taste it at the forefront. You know how sometimes like you taste something and it doesn't taste like cauliflower right? It tastes like cauliflower right away. This definitely still tastes like cauliflower to me. Okay, so let's just take a look-see in here and see what we can find, okay? We have this beautiful, majestic Ghirardelli premium cocoa powder that we use in like keto hot chocolates and desserts. So this is definitely an option. I'm thinking about going with this for a base and maybe adding something else. I have this scooper from the vanilla powder, so I'm gonna go in with a scoop of this. I don't know. We're kind of just guesstimating here. And because I'm feeling wild, Emily, let me know what you think about this because you're gonna have to eat it too. I'm thinking about adding one of these flavorings in there from 101 Flavorings. This is the low carb variety pack. I'm gonna go in with a banana nut. What do you think about that?
Okay.
Like a chocolate banana.
Okay.
And here is the other thing that I'll be adding. Why don't you focus on that for a second? I don't know about you, but I used to love like chocolate banana ice cream. So that's what we're gonna be going for. I'm gonna go in with 10 drops. Or
I think 20 at least.
Jeez, okay. 20 drops of the banana nut flavoring. Let's put our lid back on and mix it some more. All right, we're tasting it again. I'm definitely getting the chocolate flavor over on top of the cauliflower, but the cauliflower is still prevailing. So we're gonna go in with another whole scoop of the cocoa powder just to top that cauliflower flavor, hopefully. So I guess it's done. I don't think there's anything else that we can do further than this. So we're gonna be transferring our mixture into our sheet pan so that we can put it in the freezer. We're using a bigger pan so that it will freeze faster because it's gonna take a couple hours. Use a wider pan. It has more surface area to get colder faster. Love you. Bye. Don't call us, we'll call you. Just kidding. Okay, so it's been about an hour and it's time to check to see if our cauliflower ice cream has set. I kind of still have like the taste of the cauliflower. Let's give it a check. We're gonna take it out, plate it up, and then we're gonna taste it.
Ooh. That's big. Sarah. That's your serving.
No, it's your turn.
That is your serving. Bon appetit.
Okay, so here is the cauliflower ice cream. We're gonna go try it now. Yay. Wait, no, I'm smelling it.
Okay. Consistency is
Not bad. What do you think? It's bad?
it's definitely got some
Ice crystals?
yeah, ice crystals.
It looks like a very rich, indulgent chocolate ice cream.
I agree. It definitely smells that banana flavoring.
You first.
It's your thing.
Okay. No. No. I don't like it. The only word I have is no.
She's not a wordsmith.
I am
not. No.
Go ahead. Did you try it?
No.
Go ahead. That's not enough. That's not enough to get the entire flavor in there. You know what? Cauliflower has this like sour taste to it. It does.
I want to make a point.
Okay.
I honestly I feel like it's creamier than I expected. There's something like off. It's cauliflower probably,
Yeah.
but there's just something like that has like this.
Sour.
There's something that has an odd taste about it. Like, okay, I know that we like cauliflower, but we typically like to cook it. The more you cook cauliflower, the less it tastes like cauliflower. We just used raw frozen cauliflower in this recipe, so maybe it would be better if you cooked it first. Although, you know what's funny? Like, I think that the woman who made this recipe, Gigi, and her channel, I don't think she takes herself too seriously. I think that in the video that she does say it tastes like cauliflower, like as if it was
A good thing.
a positive thing. Like, the cauliflower shines through in this, and to me, cauliflower in an ice cream should never shine through. It should be hidden.
Swallow it, right? Now taste your tongue.
Yeah.
That's what I don't like about it.
If you would not have told me this had cauliflower, I would probably not guess it.
You would try to be guessing what that aftertaste is, but
yeah.
maybe not know. You know, we're all about having fun on this channel, and this was fun.
We would like to thank Keto Ninja Jinja for tagging us in this recipe so that I could get Sarah to try it out. If you'd like to see the video where Sarah made me try eggplant bread pudding, you can click on the video on the screen, and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins, signing out.
Open up.
Ah!